So I decided to go with a moon shape. So rather to save some time, I'll go ahead and just copy and paste the code. And so I purposely left it undone just to be able to show you how to get to that. So as you can see, just adding a little bit each time gets it a little bit closer. Let's see, it's almost a moon. And so it was just really a couple simple adjustments that get you there, but I thought it was fun with playing with the width and height to be able to figure out what exactly does make a moon shape in CSS. Um, I especially like starting from the 10 and the fact that it's actually an L shape, and then just slowly make my way to making a moon. And I wanted to learn how to make the moon shape for a project, so it was fun to be able to actually go ahead and learn that. So um, that's pretty much all I have. I just wanted to show what I came up with. Um, have a good day.